Hello, I'm Colin Horner, the explainer guy, with some thoughts in my Thortspace about reflections on a training workshop I was privileged to attend, organised by Andrew Gibson and Niri Patel. I've always believed in the value of stories, but Andrew gave me some additional facts about how long stories have been around compared to, for instance, writing. Extremely valuable learning information. Andrew pointed out how we share stories, it's part of our being, and that it forms part of what he terms social capital, which is an asset. I learned enormously from Andrew's script and the fact that this is applicable to use with anyone, a BNI member or a visitor, and it is so time effective, quick, effective and decisive. We do a 10 minutes you and a 10 minutes me. This was excellently demonstrated in the breakout rooms. I struggled with the 3 questions. My mind goes to, how do you do it? But Andrew pointed out that the magic is in not how you do it, but what you do and the effect you have. So don't ask the how. Very important lesson for me. And of course the breakout rooms were extremely valuable to build up my network. So I'm Colin, and I'll be engaging more. Thank you.